How to have the healthy lifestyle. It's a frequent misunderstanding that staying in shape simply requires proper nutrition and exercise. In actuality, keeping a healthy lifestyle requires more than just these two things. It also requires the ability to maintain a happy mood, good mental health, and a healthy self-image. 1. Get sleep. You usually eat more when you don't get enough sleep. Typically, only unhealthy food. 2. Remove negative people in your life. Positivity is essential for living a good life. You don't need negativity in your life. If you think someone or a buddy is negative, just let them go. 3. Exercise. Every day, not just a few times a week. You can potentially lengthen your life and reduce your risk of disease by engaging in any form of physical activity for 30 minutes each day. 4. Make meals yourself. You can precisely manage what goes into your meals when you cook them yourself. Making the best decisions for your body is made simpler for you as a result. 5. Remove negativity within yourself. You don't require negativity from yourself either. Remove all negative thoughts from your mind. You can prevent developing an unhealthy reliance on eating to make you happy by keeping a positive mindset. Usually, those who overeat are unhappy. 6. Eat less processed foods. Simply said, processed foods are unhealthy. Processed foods lose the majority of their nutritious content during manufacturing, and the additional chemicals are harmful to human health. Due to the high salt content of these foods, high blood pressure and heart disease are caused. 7. Drink water. Most of us do not regularly drink enough water, despite the fact that it is necessary for healthy body function. Water is important for carrying out biological processes, getting rid of waste, and circulating nutrients and oxygen around our bodies. Although the amount of water we require varies depending on a number of variables, an average adult normally requires 2 to 3 liters each day. Our urine should be white or pale yellow, which is an excellent indicator of how much water we are drinking. 8. Take your time to eat. It is your brain, not your stomach, that controls how hungry or full you feel. By taking your time and eating more slowly, you give your brain enough time to tell your stomach that you're full and for your food to be thoroughly digested. You shouldn't rely on a clean plate to determine when to stop eating. 9. Eat fruits and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals are crucial to your health and can be found in all fruits and vegetables. To maintain our health, it is advised that we eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. 10. Quit smoking. Simply said, smoking is absolutely horrible. If you smoke, quit it to improve your lifestyle for yourself, your family, and your friends. If you don't smoke, keep it up. 11. Eat healthy snacks. Your body will benefit from short snacks, but the most important thing is to eat healthy foods. Look for things like fruit, salad, or freshly squeezed juices rather than concentrate when choosing snacks throughout the day. These are healthy and won't cause a sugar crash. 12. Eat low-calorie and low-fat alternatives. Every grocery store offers low or no-fat substitutes. Try gradually replacing your high-fat food products with low-fat alternatives. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.